Hello, I'm Megan Wong, and for this project, Ryan Abad and I designed a mechanical light-up toothpaste dispenser. So, the story and inspiration for making this product is that kids don't like to brush their teeth a lot of the time, and they often don't do it well or brush their teeth for long enough. And so this device will create an elevated experience for them to brush their teeth by making it more fun and also having an easier cleanup for the parents. And it will, of course, lead to better dental hygiene because it will allow people to brush their teeth for the recommended amount of time and hopefully make the experience more enjoyable, so they do it, twice a day. The problem statement we thought of was we must create tools or accessories that makes kids brushing their teeth more enjoyable, as it will hopefully lead to more consistent brushing and oral health benefits. So the ideation sketch and research for this was this drawing right here, and on the left side here there's more of a manual one where you twist the knob and it squeezes out the toothpaste, and over here where it's more of an automatic dispenser as seen on this slide here. So the first one is this design, and the toothpaste goes right here, and then the dispenser is this type. So what we originally thought was this, but then adding lights to the original design, and it would turn on when you would twist the knob here to squeeze out the toothpaste. But then we thought that this design would better input our ideas, and so we chose to go with this one. And so what we did was added music and lights because color and music are attractive for kids. And so over here there's lights that turn on, and then the speaker is on this side and on the other side. And since kids don't like to brush their teeth, we thought that that would encourage them to do it and make it more fun for them and enjoyable. And so some challenges that we faced were balance of function and fun, because we want the device to still be functional and work well, but we wanted to add enough features to it that would achieve our goal for encouraging kids to use it, but also for adults, because lights and having music playing both are not restricted by age, so basically anyone could use it. We want it to be efficient and easy to use, because if it's too difficult, then children won't be able to use it, and that would kind of defeat a lot of the purpose of the product. We wanted it to also look cool with the lights and the speakers, because we didn't want it to be too bulky. So we had to include everything kind of to all the mechanics be on the inside, so that on the outside it's clean looking and it is easy to store in one's bathroom, and also include all of our ideas into it, being the lights to be inside around where the toothpaste is dispensed onto the toothbrush head, and so that the speakers could be embedded into the product as well. and play music for 2 minutes to be also a timer. Yeah,